Okay, greeting guys. Welcome back to another episode on your Dr. DIY channel. In today's video, we are going to demonstrate to you on how you can make your own low-cost hose reel mounted on your washer pressure jet. So what you are looking here is a Karcher K4 basic water pressure jet system. Okay, some of the water jets out there, they come with the built-in hose reel inside here, so you have your hose, everything nicely tucked in and everything is compact, and you just hold the handle and you just bring your washer jet together with your hose reel and all the attachment, right? So in this case, we do not have a hose reel, but the hose reel is just kept on the handle like this and it's a bit untidy. Okay, furthermore, I have purchased an extension hose reel, so it is quite troublesome if you are going to put it here and bring it, or maybe put it here or bring it, so it's going to be quite a tedious job to do. So we are going to demonstrate how you can possibly invent your own and integrate it to this pressure jet. So without further ado guys, let's get started. Before we can proceed to our fabrication, we need some items. Okay, so these are all recycled material. Okay? So this is a white color PVC pipe of dimension 110 mm of its cross section. Okay, so diameter is 110. So part of the material is a white color sewage pipe. Normally they use it for sewage or any water outlets. Okay. So the diameter of this pipe is 11 cm, so you need this. The length, roughly you need about 16 cm in length, okay, to go inside here. So basically this is where the hose is going to sit. Of course you need some PVC fittings, okay, for a PVC pipe. So this is 22 cm in diameter, so obviously the fittings to be here. And you need a set of bearings. Okay, now these are the set of bearings to go into this pipe. You will need an end cap. Okay, an end cap to close up the ends of this pipe. So you need two of these end caps. The end caps has been fixed. A hole has been drilled. Okay. So we are going to now drill a hole at this handlebar of the pressure jet. So now it is in place. So we got to lock the reel to the shaft. So we are going to drill a hole of 3 mm through the reel and through the shaft. Okay, and then we are going to insert a 3 mm stainless steel shaft such that it will lock the reel to the shaft. So when we turn, this whole thing turns together slightly. So now we can just apply like a tape. So this thing will basically just sit here. So similarly, I did here one, you did here one. Okay, you need not to do two. Maybe you can do one at the center also will do. So it depends. The objective is to lock this reel to the shaft. Okay guys, so we have already fixed the hose reel now. Okay, so this is the handle. Okay, so the handle basically we did not glue it permanently. Why? Is because let's say we want to turn the hose reel. After turning the hose reel, this handle is in the way. So in order to get it off, just twist it down. Okay, so it is narrow in dimension, or we can just take it out and just keep it right. So we have this amount of tube to go in. So let's see how you're gonna do it. So you just put it in and you gently curl it out. Turn the hose reel. Okay, so we are making a hole at the side so that the initial entrance of the hose may sit inside here, and it's easy to curl the hose around the hose reel. Okay, so we have neatly placed the hose in the reel. Okay, so now this reel actually is holding a extension hose of 20 meters and the stock hose of 6 meters, because when we purchase the water jet, it comes with a hose of 6 meters. So additionally, I have also added 20 meters. So in other words, it is now holding a 26 length of hose. So the hose has been attached now to the hose reel. So let's see how are we going to unwind and wind this thing when it's on the hose reel.
Play.
Okay, so this is the handlebar, right? So just for securing, we put a clip. Just remove the clip. So this is already done. So you may just pull it. Okay, so when you see it comes to the end, you can see that the end of the hose is mounted into the hole. Okay, so it's rather that like a pivot. Okay, so you lock at the end here into the hole. So if you want to roll it, just simply turn it here. Okay, now let's roll back the hose reel. So how is the procedure? First things first. So since it's going to be rotated clockwise, up to you. So I'm going to put this gently inside now. Okay, and then I'm going to arrange it in a way so this is how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to gently just go about it. Okay. We have reached to the end. So in order to just leave this here, just simply get any hose strip or a cable tie, just put it in and just tie to it. And here you go, your hose reel nicely tucked into your water jet pump. Just put this down now. Okay, you can see this thing is coming out, so you just want to put it right this way and you gently rotate it down so that it is pointing downwards. So you have all the attachment. So these attachments has been previously reviewed. Check out in video number 32 under DIY playlist, and that's how you make your hose reel.
Okay guys, thank you for your support. Please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. and share the video with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.